Joining us now on set is our friend Dryden Pence, Chief Investment Officer at Pence Capital Management. Meta among his top holdings. Jokes about shows aside, this would seem to be a relatively big deal for Meta.
I think it is, because now you're able to take what they do, and they've got, Meta has 3.4 billion people, half the world's population, almost 40% anyway, are seeing it. And now you can go to larger format television, which makes it easier for people to use. It's more natural for individuals. You're not looking at your phone all the time. And it now moves it from the hand-holding to householding. And that's going to be really important. So we think that it's a big move for Meta. It's going to increase their ability to even go deeper into homes and individuals.
Yeah, I know we're getting old, but it's nicer to watch something on a 75-inch flat panel than on your phone. We all can admit that to each other. All right, Amazon.
Bigger's better.
That's it. Listen, you're getting older. You want to stare at a giant screen, not your phone. If you can put it up there, why not? Let's talk about Amazon. Not had a great year. No. All right, now they seem to be taking over the world and everything else. What do we make of the stock?
Well, I think the stock's got room to run here. And the reason why, one, it's lagged behind most of the rest of the Mag 7. But we're going in the holiday season, 4 out of every $10 that's going to be spent online are going to go through an Amazon platform. They're absolutely dominant in that space. And so we think that it's only an increasing moment for Amazon. And we think that, now they're number 2 to Walmart in total sales. In fourth quarter of 2024, they beat Walmart for the first time. So I think that you're just seeing more depth in that platform. And that's going to be important.
Pouring money into advertising right now so that maybe they're trying to kind of achieve those milestones. I know with Meta and Amazon, we're about to talk about Apple. It seems like you're not afraid of what some would lump this all together as the AI trade. Is that right? I mean, quickly, before I ask you about that.
Absolutely not. I mean, this isn't the dot-com thing. These companies have real earnings. These companies have long-term futures. These are dominant in consumer behavior in the United States and really the world over. So this isn't a bubble. This is an advancement.
Okay, so that brings us to Apple, which, yes, I mean, honestly, has struggled with its AI strategy, but the stock has still done pretty well. It was at all-time highs pretty recently. It's seen a bunch of executive departures, though. This is your firm's top holding.
Yes, it is.
How do you feel about 2026?
We like it. And part of the reason why is what people miss in part of the Apple story is that the iPhone 17 is now, they're scheduled to now, for the first time in 14 years, sell more units than Samsung. They make the greatest profit margins in the iPhone business, but now you have continued recycle, continued buying, more units than Samsung globally, all over. So I think that you're continuing to see this broadening out of Apple's appeal, and it's dominant, and it's recurring, and they're going to catch.
Well, have you upgraded your iPhone software? Because they do give, on the new one, they give you the opportunity to test out Siri intelligence.
Ooh, I didn't get that.
I declined it.
But the point is they're in everybody's hand.
They are.
Right, they're in everybody's hand. Once they get it, you're going to be addicted to it. And that's what happens.
They changed their icons, too. They kind of went back to a retro look.
Is this the liquid glass update?
Yes.
My feelings on it. It's hard to read.
It's new.
It's hard
I hate
to read. You can't get the
text
off the screen. Not bothering Dryden, though. Dryden, appreciate you coming in.
Absolutely.
Restate your bullishness on a trade. Many are questioning
we are.
for 2026. Dryden Pence, Pence Capital Management.